Hi, you join me today at Thomas de Pypes Mill outside the desirable village of Stoneleigh in Warwickshire, just a few miles from Kenilworth, Leamington Spa and Coventry, with the train station only 60 minutes commute to London Euston. Named after the abbot of Stoneleigh Abbey, the property was originally built in the 16th and 17th century and has been greatly extended in the 1970s to provide over 6,300 square foot of living accommodation. This 6-bedroom family home has been extended in Tudor style and has seamlessly blended the old with the new and offers great privacy with 2 acres of stunning landscape gardens, 4 acres of paddock and 2 acres of woodland. I'm Sarah Garland from Fine & Country and cannot wait to show you around this fabulous family home. So come with me, let's take a look around. Thank you for watching the video, and if you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.